I just wanted to touch on today's topic of sensitizing and desensitizing. It's easier to show this through video than it is through camera or through photos. So I thought I would give it a bit of a go today with the video. Hershey's feeling the spring grass at the moment, so she's super sensitive and very forward, which is completely unlike her. She's usually really slow-minded, slow-legged, slow-thinking, and needs a lot of drive or encouragement, a lot of energy put into her to get that drive forward. Where at the moment, she's full of energy and we need to do a bit more desensitizing with her. And to be fair, I haven't spent a lot of time lately desensitizing, so that could partly be part of the issue as well. So anyway, I thought we'd do a little bit of desensitizing. We'll start with a bit of desensitizing while she's standing still, and then we'll get her moving her feet and desensitizing her. So yeah, we'll see how we go. You can see that my energy is low. I'm not looking at her, I'm not focused on her. The energy is just coming from my stick and string. But because I haven't given her a cue to move her feet, she understands that she's got to keep her feet still. What I'm looking for her to do is to lower her head, to start blinking and closing her eyes, licking her lips, or resting her back leg. They're all positive signs that she's relaxed and she understands what we're doing. This is just some chill out time for Hershey. We spend a lot of time moving our feet, so this is good for her. She enjoys her chill out times. She tends to think stop more than go, so we don't spend a lot of time on it, because if you spend too much time on pausing with those sorts of horses, you have trouble getting your energy again. So you've got to balance it out. You've always got to balance it out with what the horses are offering you. Back this way a little bit. Straighten her up. Yeah. Alright. Once again, no cue. She understands that she's got to keep her feet still. Of course, when you start doing this with your horses, they're probably not going to stand still, and you're going to have to start with a lot less energy. And you've already seen me give a few cues to move her feet when I've moved her from side to side. It's no different when I give her a cue to move on the circle. So now we're going to desensitize her while in motion. Now this is the next level up from what I was just doing. And now we desensitize while in motion. The other way. She's predicting what I'm about to do. Bring her out a bit more.